Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to set up Salus Thermostat. Firstly, turn off the power at the boiler or mains before installation and mount the receiver near your boiler. Connect the wires L for live and for neutral or no or COM heating control signal for the boiler, then restore power after wiring is complete. Now turn on both the receiver and thermostat, and on the thermostat, press and hold the pair or set button. On the receiver, press and hold the pair or RF button. Once paired, the LED on the receiver stops flashing and stays solid. Now use the arrow keys or plus or minus buttons to set the correct time and date. Confirm settings using the OK or Set button. Now enter the programming mode, usually by pressing Prog or P. Set your preferred time and temperature settings. Weekdays and weekends can often be set separately. Use arrows to adjust and confirm with OK or Set. Now adjust the temperature on the thermostat above room temperature. The receiver should click and the boiler should fire up. Now lower the temperature and the heating should turn off. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.